So hello to everyone. I thought I would share how I'm making my little tomato and cheese sandwich. As you know, I wanted to use mozzarella, but they didn't have any, so I did it with the white cheddar cheese, and then I bought some more stuff. So we're going to use 4 slices of this white cheddar cheese by Sargento. We're going to use this Rana basil pesto that I have here. And then here I have the cheese and some salted and peppered tomato. And something that I added was right after the pesto, but before the tomato, I'm going to put a little bit of this cheese on there. This is a cheese I normally put into my scrambled eggs. And we are toasting my garlic naan oval rounds. Now this would work really great if I had a panini press. So as I discussed with y'all, I'd like to try this sandwich again with mozzarella and basil. And is it focaccia bread or focaccia bread? Whatever it is, I'd like to try that. So we're going to put this together and I'm going to put it in the oven and show it to you when it's done. I do toast these about 3 times because these are bigger than my toaster. I used to have a big 4-slot toaster, so I have to turn these like one way and then I turn them upside down, and I do that a couple of times. So these are nice and toasty. So now we're going to assemble these. I do like when they're toasty like that. Now, what we do next is I take a spoon dollop of the pesto and I spread it on. And this pesto, because of the olive oil in here, it's going to make its own natural grease. So the next thing I do, and this was something I added, I sprinkle a little bit of this cheese over the sandwich like that. And then I will start to layer my tomato. And the tomato can be to your desired thickness. I usually cut off a little bit more than I need, but this particular tomato, I had 2 different tomatoes. So we will do this one like this. I'll put just a little bit. Okay, and then I put my 2 slices of cheese on top like that. And then I put it in the broiler under the oven and I watch it until it gets the desired meltiness that I would like for it to be. I'm going to keep my eye on it there and I'll watch for the meltiness. So here is what it looks like. And then we're going to put it together and we're going to cut it. And I have now cut it in half. So this is my version of a tomato and cheese with pesto. I don't know if I'd call it a veggie sandwich. I just like cheese and tomato sandwiches. And like I said, I'd like to try this with sun-dried tomatoes, basil, mozzarella, and focaccia bread. But until the next time, everyone have a great day. And you can make your own sandwich like this if you're not already doing it. And I would love for you to share your version of your favorite cheese and tomatoes sandwich as well. Have a great evening.